Hello student. Today's topic is control access protocol. Control access protocol are divided into reservation, polling and token passing. These are the type of control access protocol, and control access protocol is the type of multiple access protocol. Reservation control Reservation control access protocol can also be called as bitmap protocol. In this reservation method, the station made need to make a reservation before sending the data. Means whenever there is a reservation control access protocol, in this method, first of all, if the station wants to transmit the data, it reserve the reservation should be made by the station to send the data. So timeline has two kind of period: reservation interval for the fixed time length, data transmission period for variable frames. The time for the reservation, 1 bit fixed length is required, and data transmission period may be variable. If there are m station, then reservation interval is divided into m slot. Means each number of station has one slot. Suppose if a station 1 has a frame to send, it transmit 1 bit during the slot. No other station is allowed to transmit during this slot. Means suppose one station wants to transmit the data, a 1 bit should be transmitted in this slot, and the slot is not used by the another user or another station. In general, ith station may announce that it has a frame to send by inserting 1 bit into the ith station. Now, after all n station has been checked, and each station know which station wish to transmit. As there are as there are th number of station, then there should be a th number of bit slot, and and one by one there is a fixed order that who will send the data first. That the station which has received their slot transfer their frames in this order. After data transmission period, next reservation interval begin. Means when the data transmission of the previous one data will be transmitted, then the next reservation will be done. Since everyone agree on who goes next, there will never be any collision. The bitmap control or reservation control access protocol can be explained with the help of diagram. Suppose in this there are a 5 station: station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4, station 5. These are the 5 stations. See student, in this, suppose those station wants to transmit the data in the particular slot, then they have to reserve the seat. They can be reserved the seat by writing 1. Means if there are a 5 station, then it is not necessary that all the 5 stations send the data for the particular time period. So for the particular time period, suppose a station 1 wants to transmit the data, so there should be a 1 in the slot. So here there will be a 1. Then after station 2, for this particular time, station 2 do not want to transmit the data, that is why they are writing as a 0. Again same thing for the third and fourth and fifth also. Third and fourth is in this a slot is 1 1, means station 2 and station 3, station 3 and station 4 wants to transmit the data at a particular time slot, and station 5 do not want to transmit the data. Means from this one it is clear that station 1, station 3 and station 4 only wants to transmit the data at a particular time instant. So when they want to transmit the data, and if a slot is written here 1, means they can transmit the data. This is the bit will be 1 is writing a reservation bit, and when there is a 1, then that station can send the data. Here one is returned to the station 1, then station 1 can send the data. After that, 2 do not want to transmit the data, that is why no station will be used the data. After that, third is a 1, means third station wants to transmit the data, then data will be sent from the station 3, and 1 is also returned to the station 4, that is why station 4 will send the data. Means in the particular time slot, station 2 and station 5 do not want to transmit any data, because they are writing as they are not reserved the seat. That is why here 0 is written. Whenever there is a 1 is there, the 1 bit means reservation slot is there. When this slot is booked in this one, then only the data can be transferred. Okay, same situation will be happening with this next time slot. Here again a 1 2 3 4 5 stations. Among this one, whenever there is a 1 is written, means that station wants to transmit the data, means it reserve the slot. Within this slot, only one station number 1, here writing as a 1 here, means station 1 wants to transmit the data, and station 2, station 3, station 4 and station 5 has here written is 0, means at a particular time slot they do not want to transmit the data. As 1 is written in a slot of near to the station 1, only that station can send the data. So in this particular time slot, station 1 is sending the data. Other where is it writing, other are writing 0, means they do not want to transmit the data, means they are not book the reservation. Okay, after the next time slot, all the station written as a 00 means they do not want to transmit the data. This is nothing but the reservation control protocol. After that, the next control access protocol is polling control access protocol. Polling process is similar to the roll call form in the class. Just like a teacher, controller send a message to each node in turns. In this, one act as a primary station and other are a secondary station. All data exchange must be made through the controller. The message sent by the controller contains the address of the node being selected for granting access. Although all the nodes receive the messages, but the address one respond to it and send data, if any. If there is a no data, usually a polling reject message is sent. Means in this polling control access protocol, there is a one master and other is a slave. So those station wants to transmit the data, they cannot be directly contact to each other. There is always a master is there. So always one station trans maybe receive or maybe transmit the data through the master or a controller, through the controller only. So this diagram can also be explained polling control access method. See, there are two stations, station A and station B, and a controller is nothing but the primary. So when a data wants to send by any of the station or can be received by any of the station, they should be transferred to first of all to the primary, and then afterwards it will send the data. So this is the example for polling. Polling means receive the data, for the receive the data. So when suppose when a primary station want to receive the data from the A, then primary station transfer a control signal, that is a pole, to station A. At a particular time instant, suppose a station A do not want to transmit anything, so it send the NAK. No, rejection signal will be sent that I am not sending the data at a particular time slot. So after that, if a uh, data data received from another station, then primary station will send the pole to a next station, and if a station B wants to transmit the data, it will be send the data to the primary, and then primary send the acknowledgement to the B, so that the data is received to the primary. and then primary will transfer the data to respect to another station. Means here POLL pole is used for receiving the data. Then this is the explanation for the selection of the data. Means here SEL is the signal is used to send the data. See, suppose a primary station wants to transmit the data to the station B, then first of all primary station send a SEL signal to the station B, and if the station B send acknowledgement, then the primary station send the data to the station B, and then station B send acknowledgement. Means in this one, a select means send the data. Means primary want to send the data to any of the station, then it send the SCL signal first of all to send the data. In previous diagram, there is a there is a pole so pole is used for receiving the data towards the primary, and select is used for the sending the data to the from the primary. Okay. Okay, so thank you.